Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into the iPhone 17 Pro Max, arguably the most anticipated smartphone of 2025. We're going to cover the confirmed release window, expected price, and the 5 most impactful leaks that could redefine what we expect from a flagship smartphone. Buckle up, because this year, Apple is pulling out all the stops. For years, I've personally leaned toward the regular-sized iPhone Pro models. Their compact form factor, ease of use, and lightweight design always made them the logical choice. For me, I never saw the need to go bigger, until now. With the iPhone 17 Pro Max, Apple seems to have cracked the code, creating a device that not only justifies its size but makes it irresistible for power users, creators, and even average consumers looking to future-proof their investment. iPhone 17 Pro Max release date. When will it launch? The wait is almost over. Based on consistent industry patterns and credible sources, Apple is expected to unveil the iPhone 17 series in September 2025, likely during the second week of the month. Current leaks point to a launch event taking place between September 9th and 12th, followed by pre-orders on that Friday and full-scale shipping commencing the following week. This timeline aligns with Apple's usual fall release strategy, but this year's reveal is shaping up to be far from business as usual. A refined, thicker design that prioritizes functionality. One of the most talked about changes in the iPhone 17 Pro Max is its updated chassis design. Leaks from CAD drawings and early prototype molds suggest Apple is opting for a thicker frame, approximately 8.725mm. While this might sound like a small shift, in smartphone engineering, even a half millimeter can dramatically influence performance. So, why is this thicker build significant? It paves the way for a larger battery-enhanced heat dissipation, more durable internal architecture, improved camera module integration. This subtle increase in thickness transforms the Pro Max into a productivity beast, making it ideal for power users who need their phone to keep up with intense daily tasks, whether it's shooting 4K content, rendering edits, or multitasking with heavy apps. Adaptive power management with iOS 26 plus A19 Pro chip. One of the most exciting rumors is that Apple will pair the iPhone 17 Pro Max with an A19 Pro chip, and more importantly, a new adaptive power system integrated into iOS 26. Leveraging machine learning and real-time behavior analysis, this smart battery tool is said to optimize power consumption based on user activity. Imagine this: streaming 4K videos? It cuts background processes, editing photos on the go? It redistributes energy to graphic-intensive operations, browsing or texting. Minimal power draw, add a larger battery enabled by the thicker build, and we might finally see an iPhone that delivers multi-day battery life under regular use. Digital nomads, mobile content creators, and remote workers, this phone is being tailored for you, and with the A19 Pro, Apple isn't just focusing on battery efficiency. Expect enhancements in real-time processing, on-device machine learning, and AI-enhanced user interactions. Apple Intelligence will change how we use iPhones, because this point right here could reshape the future of mobile devices. Alongside the A19 chip, Apple is rumored to unveil its Apple Intelligence ecosystem, a private on-device AI suite exclusive to the iPhone 17 Pro Max and its high-end siblings. So, what's included? Smarter Siri with lightning-fast, contextual responses, real-time transcription and language translation for calls and audio content, AI-assisted photo editing that suggests filters, lighting adjustments, and background changes, summarization tools for emails, articles, and documents, predictive smart replies and personalized notification filtering. By doing everything on-device, Apple maintains its commitment to privacy without compromising speed. With AI being the future, and privacy being the demand, Apple's approach could disrupt the market. Game-changing camera tech. Let's talk about something Apple fans are always excited about: cameras. Leaks indicate that the iPhone 17 Pro Max will ditch the traditional camera bump in favor of a full-width camera island that spans the rear of the device. It's not just an aesthetic change, it's a practical one. New camera features are expected to include a 48MP telephoto lens, bringing it in line with the main and ultra-wide sensors, enhanced LiDAR sensor with faster autofocus and better depth perception, improved 3D mapping for AR applications, and accessibility features, a cutting-edge image signal processor inside the A19 chip. This means sharper zoomed-in shots, better low-light portraits, near DSLR levels of control and quality. If you're a YouTuber, filmmaker, mobile vlogger, or content creator, this could be the phone that lets you leave your mirrorless camera at home. Seriously. Wi-Fi 7 support plus Apple's custom wireless chip, where we break down how even invisible upgrades can deliver massive benefits. One such under-the-hood feature coming to the iPhone 17 Pro Max is rumored support for Wi-Fi 7, marking a massive leap in wireless connectivity. Here's why it matters: up to 40 gigabits per second speed, potential ultra-low latency, ideal for cloud gaming and high-res Streaming optimized performance in dense environments like airports or conferences. Apple is reportedly developing its own wireless chip, likely codenamed C2, to handle this new standard. This strategic move reduces their dependency on Qualcomm and ensures deeper synergy between hardware and software. This isn't just useful for tech geeks, creators transferring raw files, gamers streaming sessions, and remote teams collaborating. In real time, we'll notice a dramatic improvement in speed and reliability. Aesthetic refresh with sky blue titanium. Let's not forget the visuals. Apple is rumored to introduce a new sky blue titanium variant, aligning with the modern industrial design language seen across the MacBook lineup, iPad Pros, and the Vision Pro headset. It's more than just a pretty face, more fingerprint resistant than darker finishes, reflects a fresh identity for the Pro Max line, integrates into Apple's next-gen design ecosystem combined with a sleeker frame. This makes the iPhone 17 Pro Max feel less like a tool and more like a personal luxury device. Storage options, up to 2 terabytes? Rumors are also swirling around the storage capacity of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. To keep up with on-device AI, 4K ProRes video recording, and massive photo libraries, Apple might introduce a whopping 2 terabyte storage variant. This isn't just overkill, it's future-proofing, especially for photographers who shoot in RAW, filmmakers capturing high bitrate footage, AI power users who rely on complex models, and data-heavy app storage is no longer a nice-to-have. In this AI-powered world, it's essential. Expected price, premium power, premium price. Of course, with all these features comes a higher price tag. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to start at $1,199, with upper-tier models possibly exceeding $1,699. Yes, it's an investment, but Apple is clearly aiming this device at users who demand uncompromising performance, durability, and long-term value. Final thoughts: Apple is going all in with the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Between the AI capabilities, camera overhaul, design refinements, and upgraded internals, this might just be the most important iPhone release in a decade.